Hi, my name's Simon from Motordrome, and today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this rather lovely, in my opinion, Land Rover 90 V8 county station wagon that you can see lurking behind me. One walk around video, one driving video, plus some engine running action as well at the end. Hope you like them. Thank you. Okay, so take this deregistration, so either 1986 or 87, Land Rover 90 V8 factory county station wagon for a spin. Actually, I better shut that passenger door properly, otherwise it's going to... Sorry about that. Right, showing just under 79,000 miles, just come out of a restoration by someone that's quite well known in the Land Rover fraternity, and it is a genuine 90 V8. It drives really nicely. You will find the camera mount does rattle a bit. The vehicle itself isn't rattling, but there's a rattle from the camera mount. We just can't find where it's coming from. But hey-ho, it's you will hear it. Put the handbrake on. Right, warning lights come up as they should. Well, or light ignition light. And it starts nicely. I've just done a few miles on it, so it's nicely warmed up now. Starts fine from cold. Obviously needs a little bit of choke. To reverse. And off we go. I do love a 90 V8. They're just so lazy and nice. Back in the day, they were regarded as the GTI of Defenders. I'm not sure I'd go that far, but they got a completely different character to the diesel ones. They're quite rare now as well. The original factory ones, certainly. A lot of conversions out there. Right, off we go. Obviously power steering. So, no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. Temperature gauge sits just where it should. It's nicely warmed up. Engine feels very healthy, as does the gearbox, and it's the bomb-proof, what was it, LT85 I think. Letting my foot off the throttle sharply, there's no massive clunks in the drivetrain, and steering wise it's absolutely spot on as well, not wandering about the way that they can do. Has got a decent set of new tyres in it as well, so always helps. Rides nicely over these bumps, say no clumps or groans or anything. If you can hear any rattling, it is safe from the camera mount. Bumps along with masses of torque. The V8s and these are tuned more for torque than power. Possibly when cold, I didn't notice when I started it from cold, possibly a very slight exhaust blow. I mean very slight, well only when cold, but it seems to have disappeared now and I can't hear any sort of chirping at all. Manifold to downpipe joint, which is never great on these. wise, absolutely spot on, nothing to worry about there. Not really worry about it anyway. So I think there we have it. Drives nicely in my opinion. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. We can go to our website, which is www.moto-drone.com. Right, quick video of engine startup and what have you on this 90 V8. And a look under the bonnet. Lights on. Starts nicely, nicely set up V8 on this one. We'll get out without trying to move the camera too much. Show you a bit of the bulkhead while we're here. Proper air filter on it, which is nice to see. But yeah, all running as it should. Nice engine.